Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates.
Woman bank officer committed suicide. A 32 years old deputy manager of the Punjab National Bank branch of Sahanganj in Faiziabad was found hanging at her rented home on Saturday with a purported suicide noted, pointing fingers at two policemen. Police officers said. Ayodhya Senior Superintendent of Police Sailesh Pandey said the matter is under investigation. According to the police, Sarda Gupta had joined the bank in 2015 as a clerk and she cleared departmental exam and got promoted. She was posted at Faizabad since 2018. They said Gupta, who was unmarried, was an locality of Lucknow and used to obviously visit her family. The police said that this morning, when her milkman knocked at her door, there was no response. It is then that he informed Gupta's landlord. When she did not open the door, they peeped through the side window and found her hanging. The police also said they had found a note purport to be her suicide note, in which she has blamed the police officer, a constable, and another person for the taking the extreme step. However, it was not immediately clear what she has accused them of. Samajwadi Party chief Ali Akhilesh Yadav demanded a high level probe in the matter. The way the female PNB employee in Ayodhya has cast direct accusation at police personnel in her suicide note is a bitter truth about the poor law and order situation in Uttar Pradesh. It is very serious issue that even the IPS officer's name is surfacing in this. There should be a high level judicial inquiry, he tweeted. Vinav Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341231120. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Rajiv Banerjee, who was a minister in Mamata Banerjee's government, has returned home. He became dissolute after being in BJP for nearly 9 months. Rajiv Banerjee returning home at the Trinamool Congress TMC meeting organized under the leadership of Abhishek Banerjee in Tripura. He said, "Today I am very grateful. I am grateful of to Mamata Banerjee and Abhishek Banerjee for allowing me return home. I bow and respect Netri." Barabani after the raid of CBI related to illegal coal mining and some arrest of coal mafias and ED questioning to some ministers. People thought now this area of illegal coal business ended or it is going to be ended. But when you will see the photos, your knowns of ending illegal coal business will absolutely be stopped. You will have to rethink over this issue. These photos of illegal coal mining are from Begunia OC Patch ECL. It comes under the jurisdiction of Barabani, where police officer recently arrested some poor people in the connection. The real story is illegal business is still continued. There is none to obstruct. Securely, you cannot deny the nexus between police officers, coal mafias, and influential political person. It is said that hundreds of local people comes here daily early in the morning and continue loading the coal till 6 a.m. Private security guard are unable to do anything. They are helpless. ECL spends crore of rupees on guards and CISF, which is useless. None is ready to comment on as a very person related to it fair to lose his share in it. Only the protest of common people cannot stop this, otherwise the loot will be continued, the public will to pay the price. Only the protester of common people can stop this, otherwise they have to pay for the price.
Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir.
Board member of Chandrasekhar Kundu has given an instruction for investigation on a suspicious of taking benefit of Sambhyati scheme by bringing a fake death certificate by a doctor from ward number 70 of bureau number of 10 of Asansol Municipal Corporation. The police of Asansol Dakshin police station is investigating and confiscating the document. If the documents are found to be fake, the police will register an FIR and take action. The incident has created a stir in the corporation headquarters. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Leaders of Congress paid homage of SMT Indira Gandhi, the first woman Prime Minister of India. She was assisted on this date at her residence in 1984. In most of the place, leaders of Congress paid homage. Congress MP of Rahul Gandhi on Sunday posted an emotional video tribute to his grandmother and former Prime Minister of Indira Gandhi, who was assistant in Delhi on this day in 1984. The 3-minute video features heartbreaking visuals of Mr. Gandhi, who was then only 14 years old, crying at the funeral, and a day he calls the second most difficult of my life after the assassination of his father, former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, in May 1991. 7 years later, this was my daddy funeral, and the most difficult, well, second most difficult day of my life. She told me, don't cry. You can see I am hiding my face at the funeral. Before she died, she told me, don't cry if something happens to me. I didn't understand what she meant. Mr. Gandhi says in the video. 2-3 hours later, she was dead. It was she short of sensed she would be killed. I think everyone in the house also sensed it. She once said to me, all of us at the dining table, that the biggest cruise would be die on disease. From her perspective, this was probably the best way to die for her country, defending the idea she loved. Today I understand, but then I didn't, he says. Mr. Gandhi remembers, and observation play out to scenes from Mr. Gandhi funeral and images of his father Rajiv Gandhi and himself standing in the corridor, full of pictures of both. In my house, my father was strict, and I incessantly had two mothers, including super mother, who was my grandmother, who would defend me when my father got angry. He reminisced. Mr. Gandhi's sister Priyanka Gandhi Vandra also shared her tribute, tweeting a nostalgical photo of herself as a little girl. playing with her grandmother. Both Priyanka Gandhi Vandra and Indira Gandhi supports carefree grins in the candid black and white image. Your life is a message of courage, fearless, and patriotism. Your life is a message to keep fighting for justice by following the path of ideas, Miss Gandhi Vandra wrote.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285.
MD Asruf Urf Suraj, brother of Mr. Janab Saddam Khan, president of Asansol Rail Par Insaniyat Social Welfare Society, has been missing for last days. A missing diary has been logged in Asansol North Police Station. Please inform if anyone find him.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं मोहम्मद सद्दाम इंसानियत सोशल वेलफेयर सोसाइटी का प्रेसिडेंट। मेरा छोटा भाई तकरीबन 3 दिनों से लापता है, जिनका दिमागी हालात सही नहीं है, कमज़ोर है। वो गुम हो गया है कहीं, उसको ले करके हम लोग पूरा परिवार परेशान है। रेल पर का हर एक जगह खोजे, कहीं भी नहीं मिला। उसके अलावा आसनसोल का हर एक जगह, चाहे वो बड़ाकर हो, कोल्टी हो, नियामतपुर हो, उसका अलावा श्रीपुर हो, रानीगंज, चांदा निगाह, हर एक जगह गए हम लोग, पूरा फैमिली, पूरा परिवार, पूरा मेरा इलाका का लोग मिल कर के, मगर कहीं भी नहीं मिला। आप लोगों से गुजारिश है हाथ जोड़ के कि मेरा छोटा भाई को खोजने में आप लोग मदद करें। सोशल मीडिया का जरिए से मैं ये मैसेज आप लोगों को पहुंचाना चाहता हूं। और हमारे जो प्रशासन है आसनसोल नॉर्थ पीएस में, मैं अपना छोटा भाई का FIR भी किया हूं, जो उसका ये कॉपी है, रिसिप्ट कॉपी। तो प्रशासन से भी ये मेरे गुजारिश है कि आप लोग हमारे छोटे भाई को खोजने में हमारी मदद करें। और उनका ये आधार कार्ड है। तो मेरा छोटा भाई का एड्रेस है ये कि रेल पार नीमतल्ला चौक में मैं रहता हूँ। तो आप लोगों से ये गुजारिश है कि आसनसोल रेल पार AK आज़ाद स्कूल के पास उन्हें ला के पहुँचा दे। नवाजिश होगी अगर ये लड़का कहीं भी किसी को मिले। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
चल।
और जो लापता हुआ है उनका नाम है मोहम्मद अशरफ उर्फ सूरज। अगर किसी को भी मिलता है तो वो रेल पर नीमतल्ला चौक के पास लाके पहुंचा दे। आप लोग से ये गुजारिश है।
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Healthy water for a healthy family. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Toll free number 1800258760.
26 years old man was allegedly shot dead by his brother-in-law and his friend over an inter-religious marriage in Delhi model town area. Police said on Sunday that the victim runs a gym in Diva Adaras Nagar and is undergoing treatment at a hospital here.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285.
Countering the allegation leveled by former co-BJP leader Jitendra Tiwari regarding arms factory in Asansol, Trinamool Congress Asansol Municipal Corporation area conveyor cum State Secretary V. Shivdasan Das, who said at a press conference at TMC office on GT Road. Today after this, thousands of BJP leaders and workers will join the TMC. He told that after taking to the party high command, a final decision will be taken on getting them included in a party.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement contact editor 9563830285.
Nigha, according to Dilip Shah, organization of Vijaya Milan and honor ceremony of distinguished people of behalf of Asansol Durgapur Police Commissionerate. Vijaya Milan ceremony was organized by Asansol Durgapur Police Central Division in a hotel located at Nigha on Sunday.
And a casual treat, casual something. Thank you, sir. Good people. As a police officer from Assam to the police commissioner, as a police name, actually, आप लोग हम लोग की invitation के आए हैं यहाँ पर. We are feeling so proud. And आप लोग सब के लिए, आप सब लोग के लिए, আপনাদের জন্য বাইরে কিছু স্যাম্পলিং রাখা আছে, ওটা আপনাদেরকে দিয়ে দেওয়া হবে. এটা আপনারা প্লিজ বাড়িতে ভুলবেন না. যাতে একটা গ্রিন রেভলিউশন আমরা করতে পারি, পৃথিবীর আলো গাছের কাছে ছড়িয়ে দিতে পারি. এরপর ডেকে নেব সুজিত নাইক এবং শ্রীমতী সুমনা নাইক. উত্তরীয় assembly. I respect for you and your organization, sir. Thank you, sir. তুলে দিচ্ছেন উত্তরীয়. Sir, it's a memento of token of love and respect from ADPC and a tiny sapling. ওনার হাতে তুলে দিচ্ছেন memento উত্তরীয় এবং একটা পাম্পি এরিকা পাম্প তুলে দিচ্ছেন আমাদের আশিস সাউথ. ধন্যবাদ স্যার. Love to greet you, sir, with উত্তরীয় love and respect from ADPC, sir. আমাদের সিপি স্যার উত্তরীয় স্যাপ্লিং এবং মেমেন্টো দিয়ে ওনাকে বরণ করে আছে, সম্মাননা জ্ঞাপন করা হচ্ছে.
স্যার একটু স্যার থোড়া সা ইধর
Thank you, sir. Token of love and respect and
Sir, इधर.
A sapling from the central zone.
ঠিক আছে স্যার এদিকে থোড়া
21, they have the memento as a token of love and respect from ADPC.
এদিকে
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
As a part of observation of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav being celebrated, comrades 75 years of India's independence, Asansol Division of Eastern Railway today 31 October 2021 Sunday National Integration Day was observed at Divisional Railway Manager's Office, Asansol.
Rest is after this break. Please share, subscribe and forward YouTube channel News Moment. For more details and for advertisement, contact editor 9563830285.
Donation camp has been organized in premises of Shiv Asthan Temple by Mahavir Dal Akhada's 25 unit of blood has been collected. Malay Ghatak inaugurated it. He was the view that the blood donation is the greatest donation. It should be encouraged more and more. More awareness is necessary. Member of Akhada and others were present. Now I am presenting SMS of News Movement. Be grateful for having the ability, the smile and to bring a smile to others.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.